Picture this. The school calls. Someone from your home was picked up by police. Your chest tightens. You try to breathe. And the very first thought is, where do the kids go now?
I'm Danny. Welcome to Danny's Den. Let's chat. Today I want to make 10 minutes count for you.
Give me 10 minutes. I'll make this simple. You'll get what courts usually do in emergency situations, what actually matters to judges, quick scripts you can use with kids and schools, and one tiny ritual that helps a child feel steady during chaos.
Let me tell you a situation I see all the time. Late night argument, police arrive, an arrest. Next morning, panic at school, a child waiting at the office, parents scrambling. Who picks them up? Who supervises? Who decides where the kids sleep that night? Listen, this moves fast because courts and schools act on current safety concerns. A judge can put in a temporary parenting order if there's a risk to a child. That's about immediate protection, not final guilt. Keep that distinction in mind. So what do judges actually look at? They want to know, is the child safe? Are their routines preserved? And who can keep stability in the short term? Police reports, protective orders, any prior history, and statements from schools or medical people matter a lot. But courts usually don't try guilt in an emergency hearing. Those decisions follow with more process. Quick mythbusters. An arrest does not automatically mean you lose custody forever. A misdemeanor doesn't always change parenting time, and you don't have to broadcast details to the school. What matters is credible, documented risk. If there's no ongoing danger, courts often try to keep the kid's routine intact while the criminal case unfolds. Now, exact practical steps you can take in the first few hours. First, prioritize the kid's immediate safety and routines. Arrange who will supervise, trusted family, a neutral caregiver, or a supervised exchange. Second, document everything. Dates, times, who said what, police reports, texts, emails, save it all. Third, if there's any court filing or a protective order, call a local family law attorney right away. This is general information, not individualized legal advice. Talk to counsel in your area. Words matter when everyone is raw. With your child, keep it simple and age appropriate. Try saying, something happened between adults. You are safe. We are taking care of you. If you have questions, tell me. Say it calmly. Kids need certainty more than details. To a co-parent, short and neutral works best. I want to keep the kids' routine. Let's exchange school and medical info and agree on supervision for now. We'll sort legal issues later. To a school, I'm the other parent. Please tell me what you need to keep my child safe and who is authorized to pick them up. Keep emails factual. Don't argue in writing. If a custody evaluator or the court asks for information, be concise and provide documents. Doctor notes, school messages, police reports, therapy records. Let the evidence show stability. And before you share anything that might affect another legal proceeding, check with your lawyer. Emotion runs high, and relationships snap quickly under stress. Try this de-escalation line with a partner or co-parent. I know this is scary. Let's focus on the kids right now and get legal advice so we can handle this properly. Saying that out loud shows the court you're prioritizing safety. A tiny practical ritual can do more than you'd think. Keep game day rituals alive. If your family follows the Eagles or the Yankees, keep that pregame routine. Same jersey, same snack, same 5-second voice note before kickoff. Small predictability gives kids an anchor when other things are chaotic. Here's a real detail I've recommended. One client sent the same 5-second video before kickoff every weekend. Her son started sleeping better the night before visits. That consistency matters, and courts notice ongoing parental involvement. Music helps too. Pick a calm R&B track, something slow and soulful, and use it as a 5-minute wind down after a stressful exchange. It models breathing, regulation, and a shared safe moment. You're teaching kids how to come back to calm. A few hard, quick cautions. Don't post incident details on social media. Courts can use that. Don't send heated texts. Document facts, not fights. And if there's any threat or violence, call law enforcement and a lawyer immediately. Safety first. When should you call a lawyer? As soon as there's a filing, a protective order, or anyone tries to change custody. No shame in getting a consult early. Say this on an intake line. I need a 30-minute consultation about parenting time after an arrest. That gets you into the right conversation fast.
Listen, if you're feeling triggered, try this grounding. 3 slow breaths. Inhale 4, hold 2, exhale 6. Then tell yourself, safety, facts, counsel. That order. Safety first, then collect facts, then get legal help. Keeps you centered enough to act.
Evidence matters more than emotion in court. Keep a simple log. Date, time, who was present, what happened, and any witnesses. Save copies of police reports, school notes, and medical records. Small, boring paperwork often becomes the most persuasive thing in an emergency hearing. And a short legal tip. Don't sign agreements about custody or parenting time without a lawyer's review. A quick yes in the moment can have long-term consequences. Call for advice before you agree to anything formal. So here's the short version. Emergency orders move fast and are about safety. Document everything. Use calm scripts with kids in schools. Keep simple rituals, like a game day note or a shared song to steady your child. And get local legal help for case-specific steps. If things feel overwhelming, counseling for the kids and for you can be a real help. If you want a quick referral script for intake lines, say, I need a 30-minute consultation about how a criminal charge is affecting my parenting time. That tells them exactly what you need. And remember, this episode gives general information. Talk to a local attorney about your situation.
If this episode helped, subscribe to Danni's Den for a weekly mix of law, love, sports, and music. If you have a specific legal issue, email Danielle at thelegalassistancecenter.net to book a free 30-minute consultation, and we'll see if I can help. Let's chat. Thanks for listening to Danni's Den. If you need more resources or have questions you want covered in a future episode, drop a comment or send a message. Take care of the kids, collect the facts, and get counsel when you need it. Bye for now.